Hi family, for those of you who are not with me at this time. I'm with the family. Today I will be trying escargot. So we use clippers and a 2-prong fork for this situation. Okay. I'm having a difficult time at this time. Guys, this is incredibly difficult. Let me try a different one.
Yeah.
Let me just get an easier to
That
grasp.
middle one looks like it's pretty robust.
Is this it? Okay. It smells awesome. That is so good.
Really?
That's so good. I think it's like the pesto sauce.
What does it taste like? It looks like pesto. So.
It's good. Do you want to just try the pesto at least?
What does it taste like? Like the.
Can I?
Does it taste like fish?
It's not like fish. It has its own little texture. Let me try. Ooh, that is high.
Wasn't it screwed?
There we go. There we go. There we go. Check it all.
You're gross now. Nope.
That's crazy.
All right, Holly.
Guys, 10 out of 10.
Holly,
I definitely recommend.
I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna wait.
UJ's gonna do it all.
Oh my gosh, UJ. John, you're in the. Now you're gonna be part of the taste test video. Susanna, watch out.
Give it a smell. Let the audience know.
I feel like he needs to do
It
it.
smells like, it does smell like more like a pesto.
Right. 1, 2, 3, down the hatch.
See the emergency room.
It's delish.
That's actually really, really good.
It's delish.
It tastes like very, very chewy pasta.
Anybody else? There's some more.
It's actually really good.
It's really good.
I think I'm good.
10 out of 10 experience all. Would recommend.